again. It's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Blue Art Studio. I'm playing with my Vivid Intense acrylic pigments from Colourarte. I'm a Colourarte affiliate. That is currently Artist Loft white paint that I have mixed with some Floetrol and some GAC 800 as a base layer. And I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do, but I want to take the colors that I like over there to my right that I've shown in a bunch of videos already, so I'm not going to waste any time doing that right now. They'll be mentioned in the description underneath the video. If I don't get them right, that'll be the place where you'll find the corrected names. Anyway, that, usually I'd pull that out with my tweezers, which are probably someplace very close by. Alright, so I'm going to grab what's left of my magenta. Wow, I'm out. Darn, time to mix some more colors. Magenta, red, orange, yellow, and a couple of purples. Alright, I made a purple with Aqua-Quinacridone, magenta, and a little bit of blue. I'm going to be freeform, I think. I have a Cobalt Aqua. I might just tip, but I kind of want to swipe. Whoops, that wasn't good. Move those out of the way. This is a Dioxazine Violet. And I guess I'm just going to town. This is a lighter purple. This first purple was a Aqua-Quinacridone magenta with a little bit of dark purple. This is the Violet, Dioxazine Violet, with a little bit of titanium white in it. This is Quinacridone red. I hope I don't regret going overboard. This is Parole orange, or Parole. It looks like it's spelled Parole, like jumpsuit orange. And I'm not doing anything except for making fun shapes for me. Here goes the magenta. And I'm thinking I could just leave everything like it is, add some black, and probably swipe. The adding of the black is not necessary. Yes, I want all of it out. And let me grab a Princeton Arts Catalyst spatula. Get that out. Why not? I do have edge catchers, so if I want to tip I can. That's going in the bucket because I'm going to want to use it again. Now I've got water on my hands. I'm going to use some of that Hansa yellow. I might go back again and add some white. I'm wondering, I think some of the ultramarine blue. Come on, dribble. I've got some phthalo green. I'm basically just doing all the colors of the rainbow again. With the exception of what? Oh, I've got some light green, and that might, yeah, that might be very cool. This is yellow green. I just did a painting that was entirely puddles that I originally thought I was going to swipe, and then I didn't. And I'm feeling pretty similar about this one, but I think it's gonna get a little bit of white. It does sink, so it's kind of pointless. Now I have to decide right now, right after I wipe off my OXO Omelette Turning Flip and Fold Spatula from Good Grip's best paint spreading tool I know of. Also an excellent swipe tool. So I was going to use my leftovers, and I'm not going to do that because they're just too mucky. But I am going to play with an edge catcher. Because I can. And why not do what you can do? And I can still swipe after if I want to. Which I may indeed want to. Because I don't think I did myself any favors by tipping. Maybe I ought to go at least three sides and stick. I think it might be really interesting to swipe. I also might need a scrape dish. Alright, I'm going to swipe, and this time I'm going to use some Mayan Gold if it's handy, and it seems to be. It's Prizm Pour mixed differently. So I'm going to go, I'm going to go up from here. Where am I going to start? I'm going to start over here, I think. Looks like my Amsterdam White and Aussie Floetrol is a little runny today. It also looks like my black has decided to be a little troublesome. For some reason, it takes almost nothing So that was pretty cool. I might want to do that again. I did actually get out a couple small acetate tools just in case I was feeling like doing something like that. Yes, I am. It looks like as I scrape things off on the edge of my canvas, it kind of intimates that it's not impossible that I might want to spin. But I'd have to get everything out of my enclosure here. I hope that black is open. It's sort of kind of open. Let's give the white a little shake. Sounds like there's several marbles in there, which is never a good thing. Always try and keep just one marble in because they do shatter. I don't see any. I'm going up here. So that was pretty awesome. We'll be doing that again in Own It. As soon as we wipe that off. So I didn't use the gold, which seems to be an okay thing. Well, there's a lot of cells. I'm not sure how attractive it is yet. And Australian Floetrol will continue to create cells as time goes on. But it's a good experiment. I have some ginger flower, which is really tempting me. To use it on top of some cell activator. Sorry, I get lost in the moment. So I'm thinking a lot of this is pretty cool, and it could be tipped a little bit. I don't want to lose too much of this red, but I want to do something down there anyway. I guess even though it's liquidous, that the Australian Floetrol in the Amsterdam white is actually a pretty good thing. Let me see that one spot left. Kind of want a smaller. I do have a smaller, not much smaller, but it's perfect. Perfectly smaller. I haven't done anything like this for a long time. I used to do these a lot in the beginning. They're fun to do. And it's nice that the cells keep developing. Because my mixture for this Vivid Intense is quite loose, and I would recommend, it's possible that if you want it heavier, that's not a bad thing. So I kind of want to put some black in, just some black. I'm not sure it's a good idea. I'm using the larger. If I really don't like what I have, which I'm okay with it so far, I might just take a card. It does seem to want to drag down the canvas pretty easily. Well, that's definitely a wild paisley for sure. And it's got some really cool stuff happening. And I like the fact that the black cell activator stays activated and useful. I might have changed my mind about the spinning. I do have some paint on my edge catcher for some reason. I'm happy to use it. There, I think I'm done. I really do. You can spin these out and the cells do stay, but it's a risk I'm not really willing to take right now. And I used up all my time again. Under the description, you're going to find the 15% off Colourarte coupon code and my link tree with Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio, Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Appreciation Group. Might even have my name in there, I don't know anymore. It's a great place to share and get some good feedback. If I have any paint that I need on my edges might turn out to be black because I didn't really work very hard at getting anything to go over. And I could if I used an edge catcher, but I don't really want to. So I'll just say that they'll be black. That's kind of fun. There's a lot going on there. Easy enough to manipulate the paint. Got some really cool dendrites. Got lots of cool cells. There's no shimmer, but I can zoom in. I can also take that paint that's dripping down and use it up on the edges pretty easily. I can at least shine a light on it so you have a chance to really... Oh, the gold did show up in a few places. That's neat. Alright, thank you for the donations through PayPal. The icon is on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. Thank you for joining. If you're a member, thank you so much. It's $9.99 to be a member, and it'll get you access to a members only library of 60-70 videos, 70 probably by now. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. The recipe for this particular pouring medium for these paints will be underneath the video. My email address is yeah, I caught myself. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. Your comments keep my morale boosted. Questions are welcome. Thank you so much for all you do and your support. I really appreciate it. On my Amazon link, if you shop there, it's on the link tree. You'll find my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. I can't believe I did that. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. I post at 2:15 Eastern Standard Time, 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Anything I'm forgetting to tell you is probably that you can have whatever you want within reason. This is getting cooler by the moment. Wow, this is getting awesome. The cells are just riotous. I completely lost my way there. So yeah, Pixels.com, Fine Art America, The Gallerist, Society 6, and Spring Clothing under the video are all places that you could have the merchandise that they provide with my designs on it if you ask me. So there's just 1 minute left, and I don't think we need all of it. I do sell my artwork, and I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida when I get a chance. I love you all. You inspire the heck out of me. Thank you for being here. I hope you come again tomorrow. I post 7 days a week. I don't see too much that needs to be changed, and these colors are the bomb. I definitely recommend. I'm loving using the Vivid Intense acrylics. I want you guys to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I have 28 lists of 100 videos, and you can find them on my channel by going to playlists, all playlists, creative playlists, and you can find them by topic and genre. And if you can't find them, you can ask me, because I'll definitely give you a link. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Bye for now. I'll see you when on. Priscilla out.